It's your boy Small Hands Chad here, and today I'm gonna show you how to have a hot boy summer. Good morning, guys. It's 10 a.m. here at Summit Motorsports Park. We got all of our booths. We got the Ernest beer tent right here. We got the merch tent. We got Pappy Bob's tent right now. We're all getting set up. A bunch of cars are teched in and a bunch of cars are registration, and we're gonna head out and show you them. How's it going over here?
Slow.
Slow? Oh, I thought you said slow. I was like, yeah. Mike and Brandon is working registration. It seems like we're doing pretty good right now.
Hey Mike, how does it feel that your car is slow?
All right, guys, event's going good. People's everywhere. I got Klaus warming up right now. I'm gonna throw on my race suit. We're cleaning up a little coolant spill, and then I'll be out there racing.
All right, Carl, you feeling good about this pass?
Absolutely not.
No? Why not?
You don't watch the channel, do you?
Oh, no, I watch the channel plenty. As long as the belt stays on, you should be good.
We're hopeful. Let's do it. Hopefully the clutch stays together. Hopefully the coolant stays in. Hopefully the rods stay in.
I am more than confident with X clutch. All right?
I'm down. yeah, that first pass, front tires were wobbling a little bit. Notice the oil pressure dropped a little bit again, and then I feel a misfire, so we put the old tires back on, put another half a quart of oil in it, and we're just gonna give this a try again, see how it goes. What you guys missed is Klaus snapped an axle on that. Sorry, the footage has been not the best. It's been a lot of work today, not so many racing for some of us, but it's doing good. Axles replaced, and we're gonna do a little bit more racing. That's a wrap for No Half Cents. We're all tired. Team did great. You guys hopefully enjoyed what footage that we had left. How'd you do today, Chad? You're happy?
I love the water box. I claim water box every event from now on.
It's pretty fun because you're like hot and center in the action.
Yeah, everybody looks at me.
Pay attention to me. It's fun. But hey, we're gonna hand it off there. See you next time.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We are officially over. No Half Cents 21 Part A. Stay tuned for Part B, September 12th. Put your dates on your calendars. Get your cards ready. Look for registration coming soon.